Welcome to this Bluebeam Max and Claude tutorial by Brighter Graphics. To use Claude with your Revu desktop app, first update Revu to the latest 21.9 version. Next, create a Claude account and install the Claude desktop app. Then, enable permissions in both Revu and Claude to establish the connection. Once everything is set up, you can ask Claude to perform actions or extract data from PDFs that are open in Revu. Now let's see how it works. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open your PDF. As you can see, we now have a one-page PDF opened in Revu. To connect Claude and access all the new features included with your Max subscription, go to the Help menu and click Check for updates to upgrade Revu to version 21.9. Once the update is complete, go to the Revu menu and click Preferences. In the Preferences dialog box, click Admin Settings from the left panel. Then go to the MCP tab and enable access for MCP and Claude for Windows. Once you are done, click OK. Now, if you have already created a Claude account, open the Claude desktop app and go to the File settings in the top left corner. From the left panel, click the Connectors option, then click Customize. You will find Bluebeam listed under the desktop apps that can connect with Claude. On the right, you can see 21 controls and tools currently available for interacting with PDF data in Bluebeam using Claude. You can either enable specific tools individually or use the drop-down menu above to set all permissions to always allow. Now go back and test if everything is working correctly. Start with a simple command and ask Claude to count the number of pages in the PDF currently opened in Revu. Claude will load the tools and use the Get Page Count job to retrieve the total number of pages. As you can see, it is showing the correct result since the PDF opened in Revu contains only one page. Now open both Revu and Claude side by side to explore a few more tools and commands. As you can see, we already have 3 area measurements applied to this drawing. Let's ask Claude to list all the area measurements and calculate the total area. Here, all the area measurements have been listed accurately. Claude is also calculating the total area automatically. Imagine how useful this can be for takeoff and estimation workflows. We can also filter or update labels and colors, and even export this data directly into Excel. For now, let's ask Claude to change the appearance of area measurement 3. Be sure to mention that you want to change the fill color, otherwise Claude will only update the line color for that markup. And this is how it works. Let's also update the line and text color so it matches the rest of the area measurements in the PDF. There we go. there are many more things you can ask Claude to do for you inside Revu. Stay tuned for more Bluebeam Max tutorials that we are creating to help you get started with this amazing new product. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam, digitizing construction since 2003.